Hey, I'm Stacy with electronicadventure.com, and thanks for clicking on our video today. If you're in the market for a new Yamaha remote control just like this one, I think you've definitely come to the right place. Did you know we stock over 300,000 new original remote controls? They're never used and never refurbished. You know what's also great about our remote controls? They work straight out of the package. That means no programming or coding is necessary. Fresh new batteries and you're ready to go. Hey, we want you to feel confident shopping with us every time. So we've got a couple things set in place for you. We're committed to shipping your product out within 48 hours because we know how important it is for you to get your new remote control. And if when you get it, you're not completely satisfied, we offer you a no questions asked return policy. No questions asked. If at any point within 30 days you're not completely satisfied, you can just send it back. So go ahead and purchase your new Yamaha remote today and save some money. Enter the coupon code REMOTE5 at checkout and it will deduct $5 off your order today. Go ahead and click that link below to complete your transaction. But don't worry, you can always call us toll-free. Someone will be there to assist you. Thanks for shopping electronicadventure.com.